Hey everyone, it is your TA, Rachel here. I just wanted to say hello to all of you. I know that you know me a little bit from last term. I think I posted a couple videos here and there, and I'm sure you're all familiar with me from all of the comments on your assignments. So I just wanted to touch base on this new section of studying and teaching the Bible. This class is really fun. I really like it, so I hope you guys do too. But there are a couple of tips and tricks that I've just found from doing this in the past, and so I wanted to share them with you so that you're ready to go. So I just wanted to give a little bit of a background on the grading for the class and just use the first assignment as an example of what I'm going to be looking for. So it's pretty simple. The great thing about this class is that if you follow the instructions to a T, you should expect full credit in your assignments. As long as you're thorough, as long as you read all the instructions and do everything well, then you are great. However, the challenging part about this class in general is that it favors detail-oriented people. So oftentimes there are a lot of instructions and a lot of moving parts within one assignment that are really easily missed. And so just make sure as you're going through the assignments, especially if you're not a particularly detail-oriented individual, that you maybe have someone look it over before you turn it in, or just make sure that you're really combing through all the instructions, making sure you've hit every single part. So let me show you how the grading is done for these assignments, because it'll make more sense why I'm saying that. So for this first assignment, part 1, if you look up here, is 20 points. And so literally what that means is you've got 5 readings. Each reading is going to be worth 4 points. So that's super easy points right there. Just make sure that you're doing everything to completion and you'll get those 20 points. Now down here, you'll see that part 2 is worth 30 points. And it has, look, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 sections. And so each section is going to be worth 5 points. A lot of times students will forget this last question because if you look down at the chart, it doesn't have its own area to record answers. And so Christian showed you this on the other video, but you just have to enter down to make your own section for recording the answer to that question. So typically a lot of students will miss that one, and then you would get 5 whole points off just for missing that question. So you can see how missed points can really quickly add up if you miss a huge chunk of the instructions. And so, yeah, I just want to make sure that you guys are prepared for that and that you're really thorough in reading everything that you have to do. And within these, really, if you're demonstrating a valiant effort to find both internal and external evidence, you should be getting full credit. And if, like Christian said, there are places where the evidence just isn't there, whether it's internal or external, as long as you just give like a, hey, it's not present in this section, you know, here's where I looked and here's why, that kind of thing. Again, you'll be getting full credit. Really, really sparse evidences will get some points off, so just make sure that you really do your research and treat this assignment seriously. All the assignments build on each other this term, and so it's great to start out really strong so that you have a good foundation for the rest of your assignments. So that's it. I just wanted to touch base with you guys on the grading and make sure that we're all on the same page starting off this term. As always, I hope that you guys really have a great week and a great term in general. And yeah, if you have any questions, always email Christian. You can also email me. That's cool too. And yeah, hope that you guys enjoy your first week of assignments. All right, bye.